Great Link Logistics has worked with a broad array of industry sectors, including electronic products, telecom and related technical equipment, auto parts and automobiles, aircraft parts and aircraft, building and construction materials, food and personal care products, and clothing and accessories. Our staff has over 2 decades of international shipping experience. We work in close partnership with our customers and our suppliers to provide innovative and cost-effective services. We handle commercial cargo and dangerous goods, full or partial loads. We provide careful attention to details, documentation, and unmatched customer service.